Unless you've been living under a rock, you've probably noticed this new app called TikTok that is taking the social media industry by storm. TikTok's main benefit is you have a ton of viral potential. Videos are getting 3 million, 10 million, etc. views overnight and really blowing up content creators' business, platform, and lives. So in this video, I'm going to teach you the best ways to leverage TikTok for your real estate business so that you can get leads. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Melanie, your favorite Austin, Texas realtor, and I started my TikTok channel about 5 months ago, and I have about 2,100 followers on there, and I have gotten plenty of leads, tons of leads and referrals that I'm able to give to other agents within my brokerage and get, of course, a referral fee. So I am a huge fan of TikTok. Just for some reference, I have been working diligently on my YouTube channel as well for over a year. Each video takes me much longer to record, much longer to edit. You have to do the research, make the thumbnail, all of these things. I have a little over 600 subscribers, and I have gotten leads from my YouTube channel, but the time that I have put into my YouTube channel versus the time that I have put into my TikTok account, it's crazy. TikTok, I think, is much easier. It's much more fun, and it is a great tool to grow your real estate business. So we're gonna give you the 3 basic tips to grow your TikTok account and start getting leads from it. Now, the first tip is to, of course, define your niche. If you've seen any of my other videos, then you know that I talk about this in everything. Whatever your platform is, it's really important to know who your target audience is. For me, I work with a lot of investors, and I'm in Austin. So in my videos, I'm talking to Austin people or talking to investors. So I'm teaching them about house hacking, teaching them different ways to invest. And then, of course, the Austin content, I will show different coffee shops around Austin, or I try to make jokes around Austin. Things that in my head, I'm thinking, one, who would save this video because it is relevant, educational, funny, or just something they want to revisit later? And 2, what kind of video would make someone send it to their friend? So there's a lot of videos that I see, and if it's funny or if it's educational, I'll send it to someone that I'm friends with, and I want people to do that with my content. So I'm trying to always make content that is savable and shareable. Again, now that I'm saying this, a lot of these tips are relevant for all social media platforms, but TikTok is the trending one at the moment. So while you're thinking about these things, these are good skills for you just to be developing. And if you are looking for other kinds of social media training, I'm sure you've already subscribed to this channel and know that I post videos every single week covering everything, Facebook, Instagram, all of the fun stuff. So number 1, of course, is finding your ideal client, so then you can reverse engineer and make content for them. The second thing is knowing what kind of content to create, and I kind of touched on that a little bit in the first one. So in general, your content should do 1 of 3 things or 2 of 3 things: entertain, educate, or inspire. So with real estate, it's super, super easy to educate because there's so many things that people don't know. On the selling side, I try to get a lot of listings on my TikTok account, so I'm trying to educate them about the biggest mistakes that sellers make, or why it's not actually better to sell it for sale by owner, or different ways to prepare your home, or how to do staging, or, you know, educating them on the process of selling their home. It's easy to entertain realtors because we live a lot of similar life experiences. So if I'm making a joke about something that I experienced, it's probably funny to other realtors. I personally find it more difficult to find really entertaining content for other sellers and buyers. When I try to make it entertaining, it tends to attract more realtors to my content because they're the ones that understand FSBOs or having a bad home inspection or appraisal, or all the things that I'm trying to like joke about. So that's just been interesting, but it is a fun challenge. And then the third one is inspire. This could inspire people. I do this a lot with my home buying content because it's very inspirational to learn how to house hack, how to live for free, how to get your first home for 3.5% down instead of 20, or people that have a bad credit score. I work with other lenders and help them do that. You know, there's all of these things. People in their head think that they can never be a homeowner, and I like my content to inspire them with that. And on top of that, I just like to post a lot of inspirational content. If you are new to this channel, welcome. If not, you probably know that I'm super passionate about just empowering people and believing in people. I'm a cheerleader through and through. I just love helping people achieve their dreams, achieve their goals, whether that is buying a home or scaling your real estate business or achieving financial freedom, anything like that. So some of my inspirational content is about me working really hard on my business to try to inspire other realtors or entrepreneurs. And some of my content is just, hey, you know, remember you're loved, remember you're cared about. So just kind of generic content like that. So tip number 2 is make sure that your content falls into one of those 3 categories: educate, entertain, or inspire. Now, the third tip is kind of time sensitive. Who knows? Every algorithm is always changing, but that is rely on trending sounds and or make original content. I think it's both. That has been my content strategy so far. The thing about social media platforms, especially TikTok, which seems to be really like fast moving, fast paced, you know, accounts go viral overnight and then they're like, no, they changed the whole algorithm and everything changes. For a while, it was like 6-second videos with text over it that were blowing up. And for another while, it was trending sounds. So there would be a trending sound and you dance and or like mouth along and do the trend. So for the trending sounds, I highly encourage it. It can be very exhausting going through TikTok to find the trending sounds. I used to do this by myself and it made my brain crazy. Now I have identified content creators that I follow and I know that they're on top of the trends. So I just look at their profile and I see what videos they do. I don't steal their ideas, but I see the audio that they're using and then I copy it. This strategy has helped me get as many followers as I have, over 2,000 in just 5 months, and my most viral video has almost 110,000 views on it, and it got a ton of comments, a ton of followers, and a ton of clients through that. That was a video about house hacking. Kind of the shortcut is just find people that are already really growing their TikTok and model what they're doing. The second kind of content that just in the last few weeks, TikTok is saying that they actually don't want the trends. They want videos kind of like this. They want to get to know you as a person, original content, original audios, talking about buying a house, selling a house, or marketing for realtors, or whatever it is you talk about, telling a story. You know, I had one that went like mini viral. I was just talking about the power of surrounding yourself with growth-minded people who really inspire you to be better, based on a story that I had with my friend. If you want to watch that video, check out my TikTok. Actually, maybe I'll link over here. I'm not. Follow me on TikTok. Whenever you're watching this video, whether it is right after I published it or years later, I'm not sure if TikTok will even still be around years later, but just spend a little bit of time on the app watching other people's videos and you will get an idea of what is helping the algorithm at that moment. Similar to what I said, find people that are following the trends. I follow a bunch of content creators who are TikTok coaches and they spend all of their day doing the research and then they just tell me what to do. Similar to how I am with my team of realtors. Like I study marketing all day long so then I can just go back to my team and be like, hey guys, here's how to do Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, kind of like this video that I'm making. But I do more coaching with my team. So leverage other people's interests, passions, hobbies. You know, I, for fun, read about marketing, so it's easy for me to train my team with all of their marketing strategies. So the free way to do that is find people on TikTok. You don't have to hire them as a coach, but they'll teach you in their content, because similar to how you are teaching your potential buyers and sellers, because the best way to grow that relationship is to provide value first, other TikTok coaches or whatever are trying to provide value first. I mean, it's similar. I'm providing value in this free video, and I know that if you're looking for better commission splits, better earning opportunity, and better support system coaching and training, that you'll find the link below and have a Zoom call about joining my team. With that being said, those are my 3 best tips for growing your TikTok account. And the biggest thing is to interact with your followers. So ask for engagement always have a call to action. Ask if you either follow for more tips, or if you know anyone trying to buy or sell, let me know. Or if you are trying to buy or sell, let me know. You have to tell people what to do. Like smash that subscribe button if you want to get updates about all of my latest videos. It just increases the conversions, and at the end of the day, it's fun to make TikTok content, but it's even more fun connecting with new clients and helping them get into their dream home or sell their home quick and easy for the best price. So with that being said, I would love to see your TikTok accounts. Follow me. I will follow you all back. I will look at your content, give you any tips. You can look at my content. Like I said, I'm always keeping up with the trends. So you can just follow me and see what I'm doing and then copy my content. Free tip, I don't mind at all. A rising tide lifts all boats. I think there's enough success for all of us. So would love to keep in touch. Follow me on TikTok or drop your TikTok handle below and we will get in touch, and I will see you in the next video. Have the best day yet.